The FV, or future value function, allows us to compute an amount we would have in the future, assuming regular investment amounts and a consistent interest rate. Let's get started. I'm going to click in the cell and hit equal to, and then I'm going to use FV, that's the name of my function, and open a parenthesis. The first thing it wants is the interest rate. I'll go ahead and click on the annual rate, but it wants the rate per payment into the account. So I'll have to divide that by the number of payments per year. The next thing it wants is the total number of payments. I'll click on the number of years and multiply that times the number of payments per year. The last thing that it needs is the amount that we're going to pay on a regular basis, and because we're paying it in, that amount has to be negative. I'll go ahead and click on that, and if I close my parenthesis here, my function is done and we can proceed. I do have one optional piece of information I would like to give it, which makes this a little bit more powerful if you want to use it. So if I hit a comma, this PV is the amount that is in the account when you start it. And if the account is 0 when you start it, you can just leave this off. It's optional, you can see, because of the brackets in around the parameter that it wants. But if you want to include it, I'll go ahead and click on the starting amount. That would have to be negative, just like a payment. And now I can close my parenthesis and hit enter. Notice that if I change the starting amounts, let's do minus 10,000, that my anticipated future value goes up. Here's my formula.